Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete a folder in Dropbox. Now let us begin. Well, do you know that I have already logged into my account? In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. If you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply focus on the topic. Right here, this is a folder and I want to delete it. I'm gonna do it right now. I'm simply gonna hover over the folder, and at the top right you will see these three dots. Simply click on it and just select the delete option you will find right here. If you don't find it, simply scroll up and down and you will find it. I am going to click on the button right now. It might ask for your confirmation. Simply hit on delete. And guys, as you can see, the folder has been deleted. You can simply go to the deleted files section, and right here as you can see, the folder has been deleted. And guys, that's about it. That's how we delete a folder in Dropbox. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.